Ja, safe. Nein, man, das sehen, das wäre halt geil.
Ga je naar rechts, dus kan ik op mijn plekje.
It's good because less languages means more information. My name is Frank. Hello people. Zo is het hallo. So let's start. Ready to go? Hey.
The bottom part of the tower dates back to the 15th century, while the top part was built onto it in the 17th century. In the past, the tower had the nickname Mother Yavi, or Silly Joke, because the clock was off for a considerable time.
Rechts sehen Sie den Montelbahnstoren, einen alten Verteidigungsturm, dessen unterer Teil.
The Rembrandt house is the one over there with the red window shutters. You know Rembrandt, eh?
Wohnungsnot. Aus diesem Grund zogen viele Bewohner notgedrungen in ein Hausboot, von denen wir hier einige sehen. Heute verhält es sich
House, shipping house, built by 6 major Amsterdam shipping companies to serve as their head office. This building is also known as the House with 1,000 Windows. It was built in the famous style of the Amsterdam School. It was decorated with details from shipping history, including the voyages of the VOC. It currently serves as a very luxurious hotel.
links sehen Sie ein Schifffahrts.
This is the only original defence tower left in Amsterdam. From here,
I think there are more languages, but we don't have so many languages. So everybody is understanding at least one of those two?
The Sea Palace nur 700.
Yeah, and this Jumbo, the Chinese, in the time they built this, the travelers, they were all rich, eh? So if you could travel, then you could spend money. That's why they built this beautiful 5-star hotel. But they first